What's up, YouTube? Well, you guys are in for some entertainment from me. My name is Joshua Moss, but I go by the name Seven Dice. Seven because that's my favorite number, that's my lucky number. Seven is the number of perfection. And dice, seven dice, because I compare life, well, my life in particular, to a game of craps. Life is just a roll of the dice. You roll the dice, you might hit the seven and win big, take home the bacon, or you might crap out. But there's always another day for another dice game. You may win tomorrow, you may break even, or you may hit the big time. You never know. All you can do is keep playing and keep rolling. So seven dice is gonna keep on rolling. But anyways, it's nice to meet all of y'all. Well, I can't really see nobody, but I'm glad that y'all are getting to meet me, and this should be a blessing for all of you people out there. And maybe a blessing for me too, if you guys are really digging my shit. And now this right here is not very entertaining, but there are gonna be a lot of entertaining things to come from me. And this is just my introduction, so nice to meet y'all. And get ready for big things to come.